We'll start where we left off yesterday. We're getting a bounce out of the 4-hour time frame. We believe this is going to 80. I believe it is going to 86 actually, and 84. We'll want to check the momentum to see if it's really going to that level. We'll also want to check the 4-hour time frame. Is this really holding and good? We hit 82. 82 plus levels means, of course, we hit 82. Is the upper boundary of this wedge. We're going to get a bit of retraction, take out the wedge, and continue higher if the momentum is right. Let's take it to 15 minutes, today's trade management. So like I was saying, we hit 82, we hit 82. We are at the wedge. Yes, we are at the neckline. We're seeing good, relatively good momentum on the 15 minutes. I believe not that good on the other frames. And it means that if it's not that good on the other frames, then yes, this is a B. We're going to be doing a C. C is usually an A, B, and a C. So we can get a deep retraction all the way down to, of course, we have a 3 here. We have a 1 and a 2, internal 1 and a 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We should take profits, right? Redo the trade on a retraction to the shoulder level, $80.40. That level here. 200-point moving average on all the shoulder levels. That $80.40 we can hold across the end of the week, attempt to see, of course, $84 and $86 that we were looking to project the targets yesterday. Let's take it live. 30 minutes is showing positive momentum. Let's take it to 45. Of course, we are seeing a triangular structure. A wedge is a triangular structure, and usually positive momentum in a triangular structure is not a trigger, is a sell, meaning you want to have taken out profits and buy negative momentum. This is like an A, B, and a C. And when the C is finished, you're $80.40, you want to buy negative momentum. You'll be seeing negative momentum even on the 30 minutes, even on the, of course, on the 15 minutes, on all these kind of smaller frames. Let's get back to short term first. So 15 minutes is really saying contained negative momentum. Take it to 5, negative. Flat momentum on the 1 hour. On the 2 hours. Neutral on the 4 hours. Do we have a tweezer? No. We may have a tweezer actually. We do have a tweezer. I remember yesterday we sourced the tweezer. This is possibly a tweezer. So retractions are going to be limited. We are seeing the tweezer probably on the daily. And possibly on the 4 hours. All right, so long as we're seeing negative momentum in this 5 minutes, even if we see attempted reversal, so long as we are on negative momentum, we will look to buy into reversal out of this retraction. We will look to buy at $80.40 again, or would look to buy maybe even lower at the relevant support. We're looking at support 1 on the pivot level on the 15-minute time frame today. This is A, B, and C, of course, we think. If we have momentum reversal, which I doubt, but possible because we're at the upper boundary of the wedge, then if we already have the longs, we're going to hold them until end of day tomorrow, because if we have momentum reversal at that point, we have seen over 4 and we're going up into a 5. If we have retraction all the way to $80 and we have not closed out long, we will hold our longs because the market is going to reverse, probably by the end of the day tomorrow. If we have already taken profits and are now neutral, we will wait until there is reversal back into positive momentum, bounce out of the 200-point moving average, long, take half size profits end of the day tomorrow, hold remaining half size across end of the week. All right, so we take it now to internals on the 5 minutes. We have an internal 1 and a 2. I believe we have a 3, we have a 4, we have a 5. We have a leg A here, or leg 4, whichever you choose to call it. Depends on the momentum picture. How will it change? And we have a bounce out of a level 1. So it's either, I believe it's just a 4 and that's it. Could be a 4A and we say get a BNC, but I believe it's a 4 because we have a bounce out of level 1 and we know the market has been bullish so far. We have a clear bounce out of level 1. Now we just need to wait until there is reversal into positive momentum of the 5 minutes, and that is it. And on the 15. Once we get reversal, we're good. Once we get positive momentum in 5 minutes, we just long, even if it's a bit high, $81, even if a bit high, we're looking at $81.50 for instance. The hedge that we're going to protect is just at that point $79.80. So between $81.50 and $80 is $1.50. $79.80 is $1.60, $1.65. We long on a confirmation. If we are long again, we just hold. Because like we're seeing here, we're seeing a 3, we're seeing a 4. I believe it is the end of it. We get a bounce and we're moving higher. At least to the neckline again. Do level 5 at the neckline and then do correction. After doing 5, you get a high degree A, for instance, or 1, and you go to more corrections before you do another leg to the upside. All right, so with oil, the market is a buy on confirmation. If we still have the long, we're going to hold until the end of the day tomorrow. If we do the long today on confirmation, meaning 5-minute positive momentum and 15-minute also positive momentum triggers, we buy. We have a hedge below level 1, $79.90. We'll probably be buying $81.50. We take it to end of day tomorrow, take a half size profit, hold remaining half size if you wish across the end of the week, or just take full size profit tomorrow. Let's move to gold. Gold is going to be the last issue we're going to be doing today. If you have any questions or issues that you wish reviewed or revised, please advise the moderator so we could attend to them before we call it an end to our analysis tonight.